Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's been forever since I've done a subscription unboxing, but my Ipsy showed up. I think I have the Boxycharm and Glam Bag for September. My August one didn't get shipped here to Germany. It got shipped to my house in Virginia, so I had to wait for that one to arrive, and I just unpackaged it in my unboxing video. So if you didn't see August, go and see the shopping haul that I did. But we are going to dive into both of these subscription boxes and see what I got sent. But before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. Now, if you want to find out what we got in here, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, both of my Ipsy subscription boxes just showed up. The last one today as I was walking home from work. I say home, walking to my room. But literally the little envelope, there's stickers on both sides, so I can't even show any of that. And it's because it has to clear customs and FPO type of shipping. I haven't even opened this one yet, so I don't even... You guys, there's something that's not even in the bag. This is a brush. Let's see. Okay, so sometimes the card has details, sometimes it doesn't. This one does. So this is the SLM Glam Large Fluffy Bird Blending Brush. It's a full size, which retails for $21.50. Oh, I like this. And there's part of me that's like, oh, don't touch it because I might put it in the giveaway that I'm going to do for fall. It is a very fluffy brush. This looks like it could be not really like it says. Fluffy bristles on this make a cinch to apply and diffuse all your powder products without any harsh lines or cakiness. So like this is too big for like my crease right here. I would probably use it for like highlighter or sweeping away setting powder type of thing, but definitely not an eyeshadow brush. Just to give you a comparison, so this is my eyeshadow brush right here. It is much smaller, but even my highlighter brush, for comparison, this one is much fluffier. So I might, because I have all the brushes that I need with me, and I know that I have a ginormous drawer at home that every so often one of my friends will be like, oh, do you have any brushes? And I'll go through there and I'll pick out some brushes and sponges and give those to them. So this one will end up in the giveaway box. Now for the bag, I always like looking at the bags for the details. This one is super cute. Let's see. I don't know, it doesn't look like there's a theme. Enter your soft era. Interesting. But it is super cute. It's got the little stars and it looks like the planets. Oh, and then there's this little like stone zipper. Interesting. Oh, first thing in here we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Pink Lips Fall Sweet Fall Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $16. Perfect for soft glam eye looks with this lineup of 5 autumn-inspired shades in shimmer and matte finishes. So in here, there's actually 4 mattes, 1 shimmer, and they are all a bit deeper. Now I use my tweezer end a lot to open up these packages so I don't do damage to them. But I feel like this is gonna end up in the giveaway box because I just purchased the I Need a Warm palette from Natasha Denona, and this color story is very reminiscent of that, which is what I've been using nonstop. So as much as I want to keep this palette, I am also limited on space. So I would rather this end up in the giveaway for one of you guys. You definitely have to stay tuned for the giveaway details in a future video. All right, let's see, what else do we have in here? This is a Pearle Melon Crush Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub. Ooh, I need a good body scrub. I have a face scrub. I purchased the sea salt exfoliant that I found at Douglas. So this will be nice to have just to kind of like, I like using the body scrubs before I use my self tanner so I can get the old skin and debris off. This retails for, the full size retails for $18. Watermelon Scented Sugar Scrub buffs away dull, dead skin, leaving you feeling irresistibly smooth and glowing. Love that. And then, is this the last? It is. Nip and Fab Purify Salicylic Fix Clay Mask. Love a good clay mask. This retails for $24, full size. This is a deluxe sample. Breakout busting ingredients like salicylic acid to help clear out congested skin with gentle exfoliation, 25% clay blend to help soak up excess oils, and soothing licorice root to help chill out any redness and irritation. Nice. So I think I'm actually missing something. On the card, there's another product. Yeah, I think I'm missing. So it says that there's also supposed to be the Ipsy Beauty Eye Define Waterline. That's a bummer. It happens though. Full size for that would have been $14. I don't usually total up the glam bags only because they're usually deluxe samples or traditional sample sizes. This is a lot of full size products, but there's still 2 sample sizes in here. Now, let me get the Boxycharm. Okay, now on to Boxycharm. I'm so excited. I love receiving these boxes. Okay, so Boxycharm is also the soft era. There's always details. Sometimes it's fashion and beauty, mostly beauty. This one doesn't have any of the products in here, so we're gonna have to use the Ipsy app to get details. You guys, it took me a second because when I went into the Ipsy app, because today's actually October 1st, so that's when my choice opens for Boxycharm, it wouldn't let me, well, it probably would have, but they had the option to choose for October, and I'm just now getting my September box because it takes a little bit longer to go through military mail. So I also, because my selections were posted, I then no longer could see September. I had to go into my history to see what my previous box was. Oh man. All right, you guys, there are so many good things in here. Let's see. Star filter. Oh, okay, so this is the card for the JLo Beauty That Star Filter Complexion Booster. Oh, okay. Highlight Bronze Diffuse. Okay. An all over dewy glow mixed with that blockbuster or a liquid foundation. For a bronzing or highlighting effect, apply on high points of the face, such as cheekbones and down the bridge of the nose. Oh, okay. That is, I have said, oh, okay, so many freaking times. I'm sorry. I forgot that I picked this, but it tells you what items you picked. So this one is the color Rose Gold and retails for $39. I kind of want to use it and see what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, it's one of the air pumps, so it pushes everything up, so you're not going to waste any product. I love that. Ooh, just a little dollop, but I have a feeling since I'm not self-tan right now, it's not going to be my shade. Oh yeah, that's a little dark. But once I have self-tanner on, this is going to be so beautiful on the skin. Ooh, it's just like a glisten. I do have an event this weekend, so I might be able to use this in the evening when we go out. Oh wow. I do like how even as fair as I am, it did blend in quite a bit. Granted, I'm pretty pale when I don't have self-tanner on, just to give you a comparison. Okay, next we have the YC Collection Neria Cream Eyeshadow in the shade, I think it's Forgiveness. Let's see. This retails for $21. Yeah, the color is Forgiveness. It does have a seal, so it looks like it's kind of a like creamy peachy shade. I had to charge my phone, you guys. I was not having a good time. Like my signal just goes away really quickly. I don't know that I want to open this up. I might just put it in the giveaway for you guys. And that's the one thing, like I love getting subscription boxes because there's so many great things, but I want to pick and choose the items that I keep and the items that I give away, because am I going to use them all right now, or am I going to have to travel back with them or ship them home? I would hate to waste them. We have the Pearle Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. Ooh, I do like Pearle. I had a really nice tinted like BB or CC cream that I used a couple of years ago. This is in shade medium. It retails for $36. This one I was so excited about. Did I get to pick this one? This one I am gonna keep because I do, especially in the winter when my skin is dry and I need something a little bit like nourishing and hydrating, I will absolutely reach for something like this. Moisturizes and nourishes, light coverage and a subtle glow for all skin types, even sensitive. Ooh, I'm excited about that. This is gonna be one of those that if it's medium, I'm probably gonna need when I have a self-tanner on. Oh yeah, it looks like the shade's gonna be a self-tanner kind of shade. Ooh, I like how that feels. Okay, awesome. I'm excited for that. We have the Ofra Airbrush Setting Powder. Ooh, I wanted to try this. I haven't picked it up before. This is the Brightening Strawberry. So this is one of the pink setting powders. So it says that I picked this one. I don't remember. And this retails for $23. Okay, even though it's got one of those little things here to twist and turn to not let product out, the product got out. It is all over. Okay, I'm interested to see how this performs, what it looks like. And pink powders are usually for brightening, but it's a bit dark to be a brightening powder. Like my Prism Libre in Voila Rosé is definitely one that I use for brightening. It is much more pale. We have the Just Zimena, Ximena, Zimena, the 3-in-1 stick in I'm Delicious. You guys, I had to pick up a little box opener, which is a lifesaver, and it is sharp. But these were super affordable on Amazon. The 3-in-1 stick, I'm Delicious. Oh, okay. So that's what that looks like. What does this say? So this one retails for $20. Use as blush, highlighter, or lipstick to create a rosy red monochromatic look in a few swipes. Creamy formula is a dream to blend and can be layered to create whatever vibe you're going for, whether it's a sheer flush or a bold pop of color. I have a lot of cream blushes and different products like that, so I want to give one of you guys the opportunity for this. And last but not least, we have the Murad Invisiscar Resurfacing Treatment. Ooh, okay, I do love Murad. Murad? Velvety Smooth Resurfacing Treatment blurs pitted scars and is clinically proven to minimize the look of scars and discoloration. BHA exfoliates with a unique blend of highly purified Centella asiatica, and vitamin C encourages natural radiance and a healthier looking complexion. I don't know that I have scars though that I need this for. So this is the Beauty Boost, which is a $39 value, which also means I picked it because so it'll give you a beauty boost, but you have the option to switch it out with something else if it's not what you want. So it doesn't, besides what it says on the box, it doesn't say like anything else on here. Interesting. And it says to use on affected areas, but I don't really have any like scarred areas. Well, I do have like brown spots and everything. I don't know if that's something I need to do some research on this. It just says resurfacing. Dramatically reduces look of scar size, depth, and color. I don't know. I don't know if I need this. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and total everything up for this box. Okay, you guys, this BoxyCharm totaled $178. That is absolute insanity. I love receiving my subscription boxes because they don't cost me a lot, but the products in there total well over $150 or $200. Icon boxes can be almost $400 in products that maybe I didn't have a chance to pick up, or I just wasn't gonna pick up because I didn't like the price tag. So it gives me an opportunity to try out new things or give them away to you guys. Let me know, are you picking up Ipsy? Do you have a subscription? What items did you receive? Are they different than what I got? I want to know. Put it in the comments. We'll have that discussion. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.